The P003A code in a Ford Kuga very often results in a turbocharger replacement just because of wrong diagnostics. In most cases, this code just shows that the variable geometry system in your turbocharger is not working properly, and while sometimes this can happen because of actual wear and tear on the turbocharger, in the vast majority of cases, the problem is in the control system, like the solenoid or the sensor that registers the position of the flap. Anyway, replacing the turbocharger is the last and most expensive thing you may try, and before you invest that much money, there are a ton of things you may check. First of all, even before you ask for professional help, check the turbocharger visually and pay attention to the electrical connectors and wiring harness. Any signs of corrosion or a broken wire may easily trigger this code, since the system will not get proper data from the sensor and solenoid. Secondly, the VGT solenoid works with vacuum pipes connected to it. Allocate these pipes and track them down to the engine. The pipes should be properly connected and solid. They shouldn't have any signs of damage. After you've done this, the next quite cheap thing you should try is recalibration of the VGT system. A good Ford compatible scanner or proper diagnostic software can relearn the flap in the VGT system and make sure it's located in the proper position. Sometimes this helps you erase the P003A code and the car comes back to normal behavior, but if the problem reappears after some time, the VGT solenoid, which is called the turbocharger boost pressure control solenoid valve, should be replaced. It's not that expensive, but quite hard to get to, so I would find a good mechanic who can do this for you. And only if this valve replacement fails to help you, you may consider turbocharger replacement to avoid further costs and just solve all the remaining problems with one part.